A Solitaire cash bonus round that doesn't trigger can be caused by the game state not updating correctly, an eligibility condition not being met, or a temporary connection problem. By the end, you'll know what to check before playing another round, and what to do if the bonus still refuses to activate. First, check the exact requirement for the bonus round. Some bonuses only activate after a specific action, game result, event, or condition. If the requirement has not been completed, the bonus will not trigger even if the promotion is visible in the app. If you have already completed the requirement, return to the Solitaire Cash home screen and reopen the relevant game or promotion. This can refresh the information displayed by the app. Next, check your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to Wi-Fi, then reopen Solitaire Cash. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent the app from receiving updated game or account information. Also check whether Solitaire Cash has an update available in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. If an update is available, install it before trying the bonus again. After updating, completely close the app and launch it again. The next check is your account. Make sure you are signed into the same Solitaire Cash account where the bonus was earned or displayed. If you use different login methods, opening another account can make a promotion or bonus appear to be missing. If the bonus still doesn't trigger, don't repeatedly start new games just to test it. First, record what happened. Take screenshots of the bonus offer, the requirement you completed, and the screen showing that the bonus did not activate. If the promotion includes a visible expiration date or eligibility message, capture that too. Then contact Solitaire Cash support through the app or its official support channel. Give them the exact bonus or promotion name, explain which requirement you completed, and provide the screenshots. This gives support enough information to investigate the account or transaction instead of relying on a general description. So, the main fixes are to verify the bonus requirement, refresh the game, check your connection, update Solitaire Cash, and confirm the correct account is being used. If the bonus still won't trigger, document the issue before contacting support. Your next step is to screenshot the bonus requirement and your current game screen before trying anything else. If this fixed your Solitaire Cash bonus issue, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.